Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Exotic Wear. My name is Sierra and I'm the owner of Pretty Kitty Threads and DIY Exotic Wear. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use our circle skirt pattern. This circle skirt pattern comes in our physical pattern bundle. It comes with 10 patterns and it's a great way to start learning how to sew exotic dancewear. So let's get into the video. The first thing we're going to be doing is folding our fabric twice. So I just folded it over once. I'm adjusting it to make sure that I'm not using any extra fabric. We don't want to waste anything. And once I get that where I need it to be, I'm going to fold it over again. And that is how we get those two folds. So this pattern needs to be placed on two folds. So that is why we are going to fold the fabric 2 times. So I'm just making sure I'm going to have enough space to fold it over. So here is the second fold. So you fold it up once and then you're going to fold it over. And that is how you're going to get your 2 folds. I just wanted to add that in the pattern bundle, you will get actual cardboard patterns. It won't be tracing paper. I just use tracing paper for myself. Just an FYI. So after we have our 2 folds, we're going to place our pattern directly on the folds. The ends of the patterns need to be sitting on the fold. So now that I placed my pattern on the fold, I am simply going to cut around the pattern. After I cut out this pattern, I'm going to show you guys how you can make the pattern smaller if you need to. You just slide the pattern up so the waistband is not as wide, and you would move it down to make it bigger. So this pattern is really just a block. It's a one size pattern, but it's easy to adjust it. So now that our skirt is cut out, our next step is going to be to cut our elastic band. The size elastic band depends on the size you're making. So I did a large and I used 32 inches. If you are wanting a smaller size, you would do 31 inches. If you want it smaller, 30 inches. But keep in mind, you're going to have to adjust that waistband. So you're going to want to slide the pattern up like I showed you previously if you're going to do a smaller size. So now you're just going to straight stitch across the top of the elastic band. So after I straight stitch it, now I'm going to place the elastic band on the outside of the skirt. So the right sides of your elastic band and the right side of your fabric should be touching, and I'm just using clothespins. You can use pins, clothespins, and I am just pinning where the waistband is going to be. Make sure that if you have letters that you place the letters upside down so it would be the right side up when you're done serging. So now you just take it to your serger and serge around the edges, attaching that elastic band to the waistband. And here I'm just showing you what it looks like going underneath the machine. So I'm just serging around and you see the right side of my elastic band is on the outside of my fabric. That is very important, and that's how you're going to get a clean finish. So after serging, I am now hemming the bottom of my skirt. This is totally optional. However, I highly recommend hemming. You should be hemming everything. You do not want raw edges on your pieces. It just looks better when everything is hemmed. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I hope this video was helpful. I always get questions about the circle skirt pattern because it could be a bit confusing because it has those 2 folds in it. So hopefully this video cleared up any questions you guys might have. If you do have more questions, you are more than welcome to leave them in the comments. If you have any other patterns that come in the pattern bundle that you're a little confused on, also leave that in the comments. If you're interested in purchasing the starter pattern bundle, it is a package of 10 physical patterns. They are one size. They do not come with instructions, but they are very simple. They are mostly patterns that you just place on the fold and you either hem them or trim them. They're super easy, especially if you're a beginner. I will leave a link in the description to purchase it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back with more videos very soon. Bye, guys.